Kalos is a new, safe and non-invasive solution to manage airway secretions in adult and pediatric patients with weak or ineffective cough. Kalos is a complete device for targeted and personalized treatments from lower to the upper airways. It integrates Cough Assist, the innovative technology expiratory flow accelerator, and positive pressure therapy. A simple integrated tool allows to estimate the peak cough expiratory flow. Physiologically, ciliary movement acts to clear the airways. The gel phase captures the exogenous contaminants inhaled during respiration and humoral factors. The cilia, beating in the lower sol phase of the mucus, drive the mucus gel towards the oropharynx, where it can be swallowed. A coordinated system between mucus production and ciliary clearance allows an effective elimination of the secretions. In pathological conditions, during exacerbations, and in the presence of inflammation processes, hypersecretion and a different mucus composition can alter the normal mucociliary escalator. Even at tidal volume, respiration supports the mucociliary system. Airflows produce a shear force on the mucus gel phase in the same direction as the flow. Therefore, a greater peak of expiratory flow than the peak of inspiratory flow guarantees an effective transport of the mucus toward cephalad direction. Cough is the primary defense of the airways and is based on the sudden and violent expulsion of air from the lungs. The peak expiratory flow during cough is very high and able to expel a large quantity of mucus and other material from the upper airways, avoiding the risk of obstruction. Kalos integrates different technologies that support the physiological mechanisms of airway clearance when these are compromised. The Cough Assist function acts as a substitute in the case of ineffective cough, to clear the central airways from occlusions through the application of alternating positive and negative pressure during inhalation and exhalation respectively. The goal is to maximize the peak cough flow in order to promote the expulsion of secretions. In the free aspire mode, the EFA technology uses a patented connection to accelerate the exhale tidal flow, promoting a gentle mobilization of secretions from the middle to the upper airways. A turbulent flow is generated inside the connection, and when this flow meets the flow exhaled by the patient, the latter is accelerated and drawn out. No negative pressure is created in the airways. In the free aspire mode, mucus reaches the upper airways very slowly and can be expelled or swallowed. In spontaneous breathing at tidal volume, the patient can be connected to the special valve by a mouthpiece or a mask, or the valve can be connected directly to the tracheostomy tube. Free aspire follows the natural breathing pattern of the patient and does not require any kind of collaboration. Totally safe, the device causes no discomfort to the patient and can also be used in pediatric patients. The positive pressure mode applies a continuous positive pressure throughout the whole respiratory cycle to keep unstable airways open during expiration and enable collateral ventilation in hypoventilated areas. It allows the deep lung to be treated, effectuating a gentle alveolar recruitment. The combination cycle of positive pressure and free aspire can be used to perform a complete session of airway clearance. Kalos is not only a Cough Assist device, an all-in-one device that gives you a real strategy for airway clearance, feasible for a wide range of patients. The different functions integrated in it can be combined to suit the patient's real needs and their state of health. Such targeted treatment ensures the effectiveness of the airway clearance, as well as improving the patient's adherence to treatment.